Hello everyone, it's Max, one of the assistant directors here at tripleccamp. We've got another really fun science experiment for you to do that you can do at home. The ingredients you need for this one are water, vegetable oil, some food coloring, and some Alka-Seltzer, some of these other fizzy tablets. And this is just to create a bubbling effect. We're gonna make an at-home lava lamp. So we're gonna create these colorful bubbles in our bottle. So the first thing we're gonna do, I have a 2-liter bottle here, but you could use a 1-liter bottle, and then you can conserve some of those ingredients. But for my 2-liter bottle, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of water to the bottom of my bottle. And then I'm gonna take some vegetable oil and I'm gonna fill the rest of my bottle up to the top, which is why we wanna recommend using smaller bottles so that we're not using up all of the vegetable oil in our kitchen, right? If you have a funnel, that really helps, because our goal here when we pour the oil is to pour nice and slowly so that the oil sits on top of the water. So part of this experiment is thinking about density. So certain liquids and solids are more or less dense, and the more dense liquid, which is the water, is going to sink to the bottom. But we want to try to keep them separated as well as we can. I don't have a funnel this morning, so I'm just going to pour really slowly. Okay. So, as you can see, we've got our water here at the bottom, the oil on the top. Next, we're gonna add some food coloring. And for a smaller bottle, maybe 8 to 10 drops. For ours, we're probably gonna do closer to 20. And this food coloring is gonna sink to the bottom with the water, which is what we want. We're gonna let that sink. And then the final step is to add our fizzy element. So in this case, we're using some Alka-Seltzer. And you just need, again, if you use a smaller bottle, you just use half a tablet, and then you can add the other half to keep it going. In our case, we're gonna put a whole tablet in to start to really see this bubble away. You may have to break it down so it'll fit through the top of your bottle. All right, here we go. So the Alka-Seltzer is creating gases, and those gases want to float out of our liquid, so they're pulling the colored water droplets up to the top. The gas is releasing and the water is sinking back down because it is more dense than the vegetable oil. Let's add a little more and see what it looks like. If you really want to up the ante on this lava lamp, you could put a light underneath it, use a flashlight or something. You can set the mood for dinner one night with a little foaming bubbles in the middle of the table. All right, that's your at-home lava lamp. Thanks, everybody. Bye.